To apply a grayscale background effect to your lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Now tap the effect button at the bottom of the screen. Swipe the screen to the left until you find grayscale background effect. Tap the back key and then tap done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, the background of your lock screen wallpaper is now displayed in grayscale, so the main object of the wallpaper will look stand out. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.